Welcome to our channel. Today we take you on an impressive tour of heavy equipment and excavators working at full capacity on construction sites. Let's get started. Scheuerle SPMT. Scheuerle SPMT is an extremely versatile and robust vehicle used to transport extremely heavy loads. SPMT is commonly used in industries such as construction, shipbuilding, and transporting large industrial components such as transformers, generators, and even bridge sections. XCMG XD 130. XCMG XDE 130 is a mining truck designed to transport large quantities of materials in mining operations. It is designed to withstand the harsh conditions of mining sites, including rough terrain and heavy loads. Next at 56 meters. The next at 56 meters is an advanced agricultural tractor designed for agricultural and farming tasks. It features advanced technology and versatility in modern agricultural operations. The Nexat tractor has a modular design, allowing for customization and adaptation to different agricultural needs. This design may include interchangeable components or accessories for different agricultural tasks. Jan the new Sunfish Trencher. The Jan the No Sunfish Tunnel Boring Machine is a specialist underwater construction machine designed to excavate tunnels and install cables or pipelines on the seabed. Jan the No is a leading global marine dredging and construction company, and the Sunfish Tunnel Boring Machine is part of their advanced machinery fleet, used on a wide range of offshore and underwater projects. Gomaco GP4. The Gomaco GP4 is a specialist machine designed for laying concrete surfaces and pavements. The GP4 is capable of laying concrete in a variety of widths, making it versatile for a variety of paving projects. The machine is designed to lay concrete efficiently and accurately, ensuring a smooth and even surface. The machine is equipped with advanced control systems for precise application. Telehandler XR 50100G. The XR 50100G telehandler is a forklift designed to lift and move materials on construction sites and in industrial environments. It has a long boom, providing a high reach, allowing the telehandler to place materials at great heights and distances. This reach is ideal for accessing difficult or elevated areas. Flip screen WL285. Flip screen WL285 is a screening attachment designed for use with excavators and trucks. It is used for screening and grading materials such as soil, gravel, and compost on construction and mining sites. This attachment is versatile and can be used with a variety of materials, including soil, rock, and compost. Rock Hog Surface Miner. The Rock Hog Surface Miner is a specialized mining equipment designed to efficiently mine and process rocks and minerals from the surface. It is commonly used in surface mining operations due to its ability to cut, crush, and load material in a single operation. Rock Hog is equipped with advanced cutting and crushing technology, allowing it to break and process rocks efficiently. Volvo L180H. Volvo L180H is a wheel loader designed for heavy lifting and material handling in various industries, including construction, mining, and quarrying. It stands out for its performance, efficiency, and advanced technology. The L180H is equipped with a high-performance motor that provides powerful power and torque, allowing it to handle heavy loads and demanding jobs efficiently.
Drilling rig. Drilling rig. Forwarder. Forwarder. Logging truck. Tunnel washing truck. Tunnel washing truck.
Stump puller 1720. The 1720 tree stump puller is a heavy-duty piece of equipment used to remove tree stumps from the ground. It is designed to handle the difficult task of removing tree stumps, including the root system, which can be very difficult to remove by hand. JCB Fast Truck. JCB Fast Truck is a line of heavy-duty agricultural and construction tractors manufactured by JCB. Fast Truck stands out with its powerful, high-speed engine, providing the ability to operate at the highest capacity. The vehicle is designed to pull heavy equipment and perform agricultural or construction tasks that require high pulling power. Reach stacker. A reach stacker is a type of heavy-duty equipment used primarily in the handling and loading of containers in ports, warehouses, and distribution centers. It is designed to lift and stack containers with precision and flexibility in confined spaces, capable of lifting containers weighing up to 45 to 50 tons. Equipped with an extendable boom, allowing the operator to reach and stack containers at great heights. Mobile boat hoist. A mobile boat crane, also known as a mobile boat lift or mobile boat crane, is a piece of equipment designed to lift and move boats in and out of the water. It is commonly used at docks, boat repair shops, and maintenance facilities to handle boats of various sizes and weights. Slag Taurus. Slag Taurus is an industrial equipment specialized in handling and managing slag in industrial production processes, especially in the metallurgical and steel-making industries. Slag is a byproduct of the metallurgical process, and its effective management is essential to maintain plant efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Bowman MP8500. The Bowmag MP8500 is a compact soil compactor designed to perform compaction and ground compaction tasks in construction and industrial sites, especially where space is limited. Backus Compost Turner. The Backus Compost Turner is a specialized equipment for rotating and mixing compost during the organic fertilizer production process. It improves the decomposition process and produces high-quality compost by mixing the materials, providing air and controlling moisture. It is an important tool in fertilizer production facilities, waste treatment plants, and farms. Wheel tractor scraper. A wheeled scraper is a type of heavy equipment used in earth-moving operations. It is designed to efficiently remove and transport soil, gravel, or other materials over short to medium distances at construction sites. Diesel hammer. A diesel hammer is a type of pile-driving equipment used in construction to drive piles into the ground to provide foundation support for structures such as buildings, bridges, and docks. Rapid impact compactor. A rapid impact compactor is a type of ground improvement equipment used in construction to compact weak or loose soil. It works by creating rapid, repetitive impacts into the ground, which increases the soil's density and bearing capacity. Tree spade. A tree excavator is a specialized piece of equipment used for tree removal. It is designed to dig around the root ball of a tree and lift the tree out of the ground while keeping the roots intact, making it easier to move the tree to a new location. P&H for 100. The P&H for 1100 is a heavy-duty excavator manufactured by the P&H company. It is a large wheel loader commonly used in mining and large construction to move large volumes of earth or materials. Doosan DL 550. The Doosan DL 550 is a heavy-duty wheel loader manufactured by Doosan, one of the leading construction equipment manufacturers. The DL 550 wheel loader is designed to handle heavy-duty work in the construction and mining industries. Case 1107X. The Case 1107X single drum roller compactor is a construction equipment used to compact the ground or material. It is a type of compactor with a large roller drum in the front to compact the ground or material, commonly used in construction and road construction. Cultipacker. A cultipacker is a type of agricultural equipment used primarily to prepare soil for planting. It is designed to break up clods of soil, compact the soil, and create a smooth, level layer of soil. A cultipacker consists of a series of heavy rollers or wheels with ridges that compact the soil as it is pulled by a tractor or other towing vehicle. Kemper 300 Pro. The Kemper 300 Pro may be a specific model in the Kemper Corn Fronts product line, designed for efficient corn harvesting. It is a specialized corn harvester head, typically attached to harvesters to cut and collect corn plants in large-scale agricultural operations. Rototilt R3. The Rototilt R3 is a versatile excavator attachment that allows for improved control and precision in a variety of excavation and construction tasks. It allows the excavator bucket or other tools to rotate 360 degrees and tilt up to 45 degrees, providing exceptional versatility for a variety of applications. Nordic Dyno. Nordic Dyno is an automated aircraft wash system designed to efficiently wash and maintain the cleanliness of aircraft. Developed primarily for use at airports and aircraft maintenance facilities, the Nordic Dyno system is characterized by its ability to reduce the time, effort, and water required to clean aircraft, while ensuring high hygiene standards. Klaas Varian 5000. The Claas-Zarian 5000 is a high-performance and versatile tractor manufactured by Claas, a renowned agricultural machinery manufacturer. This tractor is designed for a variety of agricultural applications, including heavy-duty field work and transport tasks. It is equipped with a high-powered engine, typically around 530 horsepower, allowing it to handle demanding tasks with ease. Marshall Tree Saw 1600. The Marshall Tree Saw 1600 is a dedicated attachment for cutting and removing trees in forestry and land management operations. It is typically attached to an excavator or crawler tractor and is used to quickly cut tree trunks and branches. Useful in land management tasks, including clearing land for development, agriculture, or other purposes. Nemo Track Beach Cleaner. Nemo Track Beach Cleaner is a specialized equipment designed for beach cleaning. It is used to remove trash, debris, and unwanted materials from sandy and coastal areas, ensuring that beaches are clean and safe for visitors. Nemo is designed with a crawler chassis, providing stability and traction on sandy and uneven surfaces for effective operation on a variety of beach terrains. Monarch Mk5. The MKV Founder Series electric tractor is a modern agricultural equipment that uses an electric motor to replace the traditional diesel engine. This tractor series is generally designed to deliver high performance, minimize environmental impact, and save operating costs. The tractor uses an electric motor to provide power, helping to reduce emissions and noise compared to diesel-powered tractors. Kibagcat 350-F. Kibagcat 35-F is a heavy-duty hydraulic excavator in the Cat 35-F series, widely used in large construction projects, mining, and other earthworks. This excavator is known for its strength, durability, and outstanding working performance. Muskox Snowblower. The Muskox Snowblower is a snowblower designed to clear snow and ice from roads, walkways, and large areas in cold weather conditions. It is an important tool for maintaining outdoor areas during the winter, especially in areas where heavy snowfall is a concern and requires frequent clearing. Skycrane Sikorsky S64. The Sikorsky S6 for Skycrane is a heavy-lift helicopter specifically designed to perform heavy-lift aerial transport missions. Developed by Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation, the Skycrane is distinguished by its ability to lift and transport large loads, along with its unique design and high performance. H2Trackeo X175. The H2Trackeo X175 is a heavy-duty tractor that uses advanced engine technology to meet agricultural and industrial needs. Equipped with a high-power engine, the tractor performs heavy-duty tasks such as plowing, tilling, and pulling other agricultural or industrial equipment. Mini-Tank Moving 7684. Mini-Tank Moving 7684 is a type of mini-moving equipment commonly used in industrial and construction applications. It can be designed to move heavy loads. AFT-HW60. HW60 trenching machine is a machine designed to carry out trenching works for pipes, cables, and other underground structures. The machine is equipped with a powerful trenching system with sharp cutting blades, helping to dig through different types of soil, including hard soil and rock. MPK06. The MPKO-6 is a glass handling robot designed to improve efficiency and precision in glass handling and installation at construction or industrial sites. It is an advanced device from Gecko, featuring features suitable for jobs requiring high precision and safe glass handling.